According to China EV Post, Tesla sold 40,485 vehicles in China in October, marking its lowest sales since April. This represents a 43.93% drop from September's 72,200 units, though it's a 41.43% increase from October last year. Tesla's Shanghai factory, which produces the Model 3 sedan and Model Y crossover, saw a significant rise in exports, up 72.41% from September, with 27,795 vehicles exported. Overall, Tesla sold 68,280 vehicles in October, including those exported. This is a 22.69% drop from September's total of 88,321 units. Model Y accounted for 61.90% of Tesla's October sales, while Model 3 made up 38.10%. In the broader Chinese market, retail sales of new energy vehicles hit a record 1.2 million units in October. Tesla's share of this market dropped to 3.39%, down from 6.43% in September. You are listening to Yuan News.